jingsei so ha ka rap ka riang ka jinkmen ya kinong rap. Anda la pentrikam ka TMC ha ka ba shipawa jar tingka khusnaam anya rap pisa ya baro kinong rap ha ka jilla lingba ka jingpen mi ya ka scheme batmai Farmers Assistant for Rural Meghalaya.
Hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang, shan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentio bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
Hadin wa usembut Menteri Rengba ke Jela Opraston Tensong da Ongu waki skim wa terwa ke TMC nai benta wa thap wa e poisa chaki manbei waki khenro khlon chi hajar man ubenai to ki wadaw hap wa dai ke Jela Meghalaya nei liang o he ke TMC wa man le parliamentary secretary ke parti kam jo le MP ke Raja Sabha u Derek O'Brien da Ongu wala da was ngau to waki ni skim to ki wa dai ke Jela penyo iwa chibha we ki paj ba le da dai ki ka ne bha mendaman ki kam ki MLA daman ki le kam ki wadai mar salesman hajrong ini da ban joru le wala da to iwa ye ya ki paj ba te iyi iwit hajrong ite ne bha hakiwi ki jalla ka wasan char ka TMC da yo khusnaam award na ka United Nations na ki scheme wa ki kam wada pangkre we kat kam man kat ni ki wi ki jalla da bot ki ya ki scheme wada sedang da ka TMC iwaman iwabha dewe inong muna ya ka health card ko wada sedang na kawi na ki jella ka thany mi singi kari hawaya kalam wagi wathok khubor hadin wakut kayalang na ya musiang da ongu waka bru wasdang ya ka TMC ko wada man ko mi khmat ha ko bon ki yung dorbar chna an jella West Bengal wa kari sa ko ha yung iwakhian bha.
If any person here feels that to put 1,000 rupees into a woman of Meghalaya's account and 1,000 rupees into the young people youth account is to sell Meghalaya, well, I think Meghalaya is already people are already selling it, because when some of them get elected as an MLA, they also become salesmen. If we are giving to people, what is people's? Where's the concept of selling? We've shown you how these issues are delivered. In another state, we've got a United Nations award for delivering schemes and programs. And we're very happy also that in other states, our schemes are copied, which is very good. This health card scheme, which now is in many states, including some BJP states, it started in one state in Eastern India. And I think this is the beginning. People have seen enough. What do people want? They want jobs, they want education, they want health, and they want some good roads. This is the basic requirements which people want. And if we have young people like this, you see, I've been, who, am I MP? You know, I can't sit here because it's a small table. No, we're just okay. We did the meeting in the marketplace, we sat, we had lunch, we're here. So, one of the good things about TMC is that we are straightforward, humble people, because the woman who started the party, she herself, you are sitting here doing the press conference. She's a 3-time chief minister. She's a 7-time MP. She's a 4-time union minister. She's a tigress. But if you go to a house, it is half the size of this room.
Of Meghalaya have been longing for the implementation of the ILP.
Our party, Charles Pingro, the district, our state president, Charles Pingro has answered these questions 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. You please be very clear as to what is our policy. We are not shy. We will go by what the people of Meghalaya want. That's already been discussed in the assembly, and Charles has made this position very, very clear. Also on the Assam-Meghalaya border, that also our position is very, very clear. We see, listen, one thing about TMC, we are not scared of BJP. Oh, dhamki dikhayega, ED dikhayega, CBI dikhayega. No setting. All this setting is done by, I'm sorry to say, your parties in Meghalaya. What were they doing in the last 3-4 years? Partnering with BJP. Now you're going to ask for votes in this way. We don't believe it. And we believe a national party like ours with 40 MPs, we have a partnership where our party is also regionally driven. There's no, we worked with them, you asked them in the last year, you have to do this. No, you have to do this, Today these 5 people will sit. No, it's all done by the team. They have another team behind them. All right, thank you, and we will come back, and we will have. Yes. Now the only thing here is that the money which is being spent. But our belief is money cannot win you hearts. Money cannot win you minds. We really believe we have the best candidate to serve the people of Jowai with this team. And I'm telling you something very confidently, without any arrogance. I think the people of Jowai have made up their minds, not only Jowai, but in Khasi, and they made up their minds. I can sense it. I can sense it. People want to change. Quietly, there are no big hoardings. I think quietly people are. Now you finished. How many more questions? I won't get tired. Okay. So you can.
The TMC being a very new party to Meghalaya, how optimistic are you?
Are we really a new party? We are. True. We are very optimistic because, you see, there was a famous senior politician from Meghalaya who was also a TMC MP. Don't forget. Mr. Purna Sangma was also on the same. Same. Yes, we are a new party, and it's wonderful. You know, the kind of experience one has had for the last 6 weeks, and the best part of the experience is what? That you listen and you learn. Not only the food and the culture, but the way everything moves. It's beautiful. It's learning experience, and you have to have the humility to want to listen, want to learn.
Meghalaya TMC kan wanlam shapi ka Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Hapo kanika scheme onpen poi pisa shi hajating kashi banai kata kharar hajating kashi snap shaki kinthei haman la kilong yeng kum kala jingkershan bai banai.
Hakane ka apnyo trek urempang Shanya kasap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.